we want to assess the new measuring device for fuel injector diameters. To set up the worksheet for the Measurement System Analysis Gage R&R study, in the Assistant menu, select Measurement System Analysis, MSA. In the decision tree, under the Measurement branch and the Setup Study Objective, choose Gage R&R Worksheet. In the Number of Operators, choose 2. In the Number of Replicates field, leave 2. And in the Number of Parts, choose 9. Then click OK. Check the worksheet. Perform the measurements in the order specified in the Run Order column, and fill the results in the Measurements column. Open the nozzle worksheet with the measurements populated. To analyze the data under the Assistant menu, select Measurement System Analysis, MSA. In the decision tree, under the Measurement branch and the Analyze Data objective, click on Gage R&R Study crossed. In the Operators field, choose the Operator column. In Parts, choose the Nozzle variable, and in Measurements, choose Diam. Under Process Variation, how would you like to estimate process variation? Tick Estimate the process variation using parts in the study, and type 8 under Tolerance Width, and click OK.